Now let's build a delete button. This is going to be pretty similar to the published draft button that we just made. So it's going to be delete post.tsx. We're going to import React just like before. We're going to import button from ant_design. It's going to take in an ID prop. And so this component's going to be called delete post. We know that we're going to need to pull off ID from the props. And so we want to return a React component that's like the delete post component. And so then the first parameter of this function is the delete one post mutation. And so then we'll create a button that we'll label delete, and we'll have an on-click handler. And so then we'll pass in the ID variable, and then we'll have a refetch query array just like we did before. And so make sure that the query here are these like feed query documents. It's these variables that are in that auto-generated list where it will be assigned to a GQL string. So then we can export it so that we can then import it onto the feed component. And so we can just add this right below the publish draft button. So we can save this file and then check out our finished application. So now if we go down here, we'll see that there is now a delete button. And so if we press it, it gets deleted. And so that's it. So we have this pretty awesome full stack blog application where we can now create users, and then we can create drafts that are assigned to a particular user. When you publish a draft, it will initially be hidden, but you can add multiple drafts. So here's another post that I'm adding. We can see that it just gets added to the list, and that you can then click publish to then publish your unpublished blog posts, and they show up in the other list. And then finally, we showed that you can then click the delete button to be able to delete it. And so hopefully this gives you the tools to be able to build out your own applications. We've shown all of the CRUD operations and how you can define them on your back end, how to then create queries on your front end, and then use GraphQL gen to generate all the React components, and then how to use Docker to be able to orchestrate all these containers together. And so this is a really nice build environment, I think, where you can kind of rapidly iterate on whatever idea or application that you're trying to build. So let me know what you think, and thanks for listening.